All right, so I've got everything sanded out, but it's a lot more touch-up work than I thought there was gonna be. Little yellow spots. So this isn't gonna get painted today. I'll start painting this tomorrow, but it's overall pretty nice. There's some bubbled tape in that flat down there. Had to fix that. What can you do? Gotta wait till tomorrow.